This is called the backwards yarn over bind off. I'm doing this on a 1x1 rib, and this bind off looks really nice along the edge of this cuff. It's quite stretchy as well, so I really like it for cuffs and collars. And it's really easy to do. And this just happens to be a 1x1 rib, but you can do it after any edging of your choice. The way we do the backwards yarn over bind off is you knit the first stitch, and we'll do a yarn over but do it backwards. So a normal yarn over, we would come under the needle like that, but in this case we're going to go over the needle and bring the working yarn under it. Knit the next stitch and pass those 2 stitches over, just like that. And then we'll repeat that. Bring the yarn over, knit the next stitch, and pass those 2 stitches over. Yarn over, knit the next stitch, pass the stitches over. And we keep doing that all the way across. You do that all the way across and it makes a nice, stretchy, clean looking bind off.